Jenny and Jane did some cooking, and they made a bread and butter pudding. First, they spread some butter on both sides of 8 pieces of bread and laid them on a baking dish. Then, they added some cinnamon, sugar, and sultanas. After that, they put some milk and cream in a pan and heated it. Next, they poured it over the bread and spilt a bit, but not too much. Finally, they put it in the oven for 30 minutes and they ate it for dessert. What has just happened? Jenny and Jane have done some cooking and they have made a bread and butter pudding. First, they have spread some butter on both sides of 8 pieces of bread and have laid them on a baking dish. Then, they have added cinnamon, sugar, and sultanas. After that, they have put some milk and cream in a pan and heated it. Next, they have poured it over the bread and they have spilt a bit. Finally, they have put it in the oven and they have eaten it for dessert. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned some irregular verbs today, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.